Hi guys, if your candy washing machine is stuck on any kind of error, a quick restart is going to fix this particular problem. So in this guide, you are going to learn how you can reset it properly. So before resetting it, you just have to turn off your washing machine, and then you just have to simply use the power button in order to do it. Afterwards, simply unplug it from the wall outlet and wait for about 5 minutes. This is going to allow the control board to fully reset, and it will also clear any software glitches. Now, if the machine is frozen during a cycle, you can also simply press and hold the start and the pause button for about 5 to 10 seconds. On many candy models, this cancels the current program and it is going to reset the control system. After that, you just have to wait until the door lock light turns off before opening the door. Now, some of the candy washing machines refuses to reset if the water is still inside the drum. So you need to check the bottom filter area and drain any of the remaining water carefully using the emergency drain hose if your model has one. So you can try this particular method and see if it resets properly. Thank you.